till now we have seen how we can create the form using form builder, and in this video we will see how we can create the nesting of form using the form builder service. And it is basically used for the complex scenario where the form may contains another sub forms. So we have created the new component, that is new car component. Let us say we have the fields as follow, that is id, then name, let's say this is another sub form, that is features, that may contain another group, let us try to add some fields. Let's say the first field will be is automatic, and the engine, and say the mileage. Let's say we have another group, we have to create another nesting for the model. Let's say the model number, and manufacturer year, so this is the form we have created, that having some field and the sub form, that is the group. Now let us try to create and bind this to the HTML form. So we have the group, that is new car, so we can say it's the form group equals to new car, and then we have the fields, So we are simply trying to create using the bootstrap fashion. So this is ID. Let's say the form control equals to ID. Now we can see the another group, that is features. So we have to create a div with form group name equals to features, and inside this we have to simply define the fields with label that we generally do for is automatic, engine and mileage. Then engine, so we have added the three fields for the nesting of form features. So now we have another group, that is model. So let me just create the form group name equals to model. Then inside this we have to simply define these two fields. The first one is model number, so just paste the model number. And the manufacturer year. So we are all done with creating the form in component as well as in HTML. Let us also create a submit button. Now let me create the routing for this page or the component, so that we have just a link on which when we click we just simply navigate to this component. Let us run the application and see what we have created. So this is the form we have created, and it includes the subform for features and the model. Let me try to print the form value. So this is the form group name and the value, and we are just trying to print in JSON format. So let me just give some value. So the value should be printed over here. Let me see if is there any error. So there is some error in form control directive. So what we have done, so we have to use the form control name. So this is what we have done the mistake. We have used form control. So let me just copy and paste to each and every control name. Now we can see the value is getting binded. So this is how we can create the nesting of form, and we can do the creation of the complex form using form builder service. Thank you so much.